This is a pretty straightforward task. We just need to install Git and GitLab plugins. Click on Jenkins. Username is this one. Password is this one. And then click on Manage Jenkins. Go to Plugins. Look for available plugins. Type Git. This one. Just Git client as well. And then GitLab. Click on Install. This is going to take a while. I'm just gonna pause the wait. It took a while, but our plugin seems failed. Click on Restart. Click on Available Plugins. Look for Git and then GitLab. It succeeded now, Git, but let's see about GitLab. Failed again. Just restart it. Then we'll try one more time. We log in again. Click on Available Plugins. Look for GitLab. It seems installed. Okay, now check the task results. It's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.